check it out in Romeo's lab. Come on, let's go check it out in Romeo's lab. Wait, I'm a puppy. Hey, Romeo, what are you doing here? Romeo, I will sit on Romeo's head. Romeo, Owlet's on your head. Come on, Owlet, let's go to the cat car. Wait, I'm a baby puppy. No, you ought to be Owlet. Fine. Owlet. Come on, let's go and check it out in Romeo's lab, Owlet. Hurry, I'm a puppy. Come on, Owlet, we have to check it out in Romeo's lab. You forgot this. Okay, puppy. Okay, let's go and check it out in Romeo's lab. Let's go and check it out in Romeo's lab. Come on, let's go, puppy. Really slow. Yeah, really slow. When we go even faster, we might break my pajamas and my mama will get mad at us. Go slow, puppy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. Let's go to the cat car. Oh, you forgot to carry me. Come on, puppy. Oh, I'm carrying you. Come on, puppy. Come on, puppy. What the later will head do? Hop in the cat